Sprinkle a handful of salt into the sink, and every stain will be cleaned until it shines. Hello everyone, I'm Tracy. Most of us only use salt for cooking, but today I'll show you 5 simple ways to use salt to clean your home. From the sink and cutting board, to cups, the refrigerator, and greasy kitchen areas, these tips are very easy to do, budget-friendly, and extremely useful. Let's get started. Another simple way to use salt is to clean your sink and drain pipe, especially when your kitchen starts to have an unpleasant smell. First, make sure there is not much debris left in the drain strainer. Then sprinkle 1 handful of coarse salt directly into the drain opening. Next, boil some water, then let it cool for a few minutes. This step is very important because water that is too hot can be harmful to old drain pipes and may cause damage over time. When the water is still hot but no longer boiling, you can slowly pour the hot salt water down the drain. As the salt and warm water flow through the pipe, they can help loosen the grime stuck inside and help clean away tiny insect eggs that may be hiding in the drain. After that, let it sit for a while so the mixture has time to work. Then use an old brush to scrub it again one more time to remove any remaining stains. Finally, wash the sink clean and flush it thoroughly with clean water. This simple trick is very easy to do, inexpensive, and useful for keeping your kitchen sink cleaner, fresher, and easier to maintain. The next cleaning tip with salt is to use it to clean light stains inside glass cups or drinking cups. After being used for tea, coffee, or other colored drinks for a while, the inside of the cup can easily develop light yellow stains, making it no longer look as bright and clean as it did at first. At this point, you just need to add 1 tablespoon of salt to the cup. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, stir well, and let it soak for about 5 minutes. After that, use a soft cloth or a dish sponge to gently scrub in a circular motion. Salt helps create gentle friction to scrub away the layer of residue, while lemon has natural acidity that helps soften stains and reduce unpleasant odors. When combined, they can help glass cups or ceramic cups look brighter and cleaner without needing to scrub too hard. After scrubbing for a little while, you will see the cup become brighter. Now you just need to rinse it thoroughly with water until it is completely clean. The result is a shiny cup that looks completely different from the beginning. Remember to save this method right away to handle stained cups in your home. Salt can also clean your wooden cutting board. It may look clean after a quick wash, but over time, food juices, small food crumbs, and unpleasant odors can stick to the surface. This is especially true after cutting meat, fish, onions, or garlic. If you wash it with strong chemicals, they may very likely soak into the cutting board and affect your health. A safer and simpler way is to use salt. First, lightly wet the surface of the wooden cutting board. Then, sprinkle a handful of salt on top. Use half a lemon to rub the salt evenly all over the cutting board to remove unpleasant odors from it. In addition, salt has natural properties that help slow the growth of bacteria and microorganisms while also removing dirt from the surface. After scrubbing, rinse the cutting board thoroughly with clean water. Then let it dry completely before storing it. By doing this, you can feel more comfortable using your cutting board without worrying about dirt or affecting your health. Another very useful tip for cleaning a stained or dirty refrigerator is to make a cleaning solution with salt, which is extremely simple to do at home. First, prepare 200 milliliters of clean water. Then add 100 milliliters of white vinegar to help soften stains and reduce unpleasant odors in the refrigerator. Next, add a little toothpaste to increase the cleaning power and brighten lightly stained areas. Then add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt to help loosen stubborn buildup and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to deodorize and clean the surface better. Stir well so all the ingredients are combined. After mixing, dip a clean cloth into the mixture and wipe it directly over the stains inside the refrigerator. The stains will quickly come off. If you come across a stubborn stain, you can soak a soft cloth in the mixture, place it over that area for about 5 minutes, and then wipe it clean. Where are you from? Let me know in the comments. I'm so happy to share simple yet useful home cleaning tips to help keep your house clean and organized. Let's discover more helpful household hacks together every day. Finally, just wipe it one more time with a clean cloth, and your refrigerator will be bright, clean, fresh, and free of unpleasant stains. You can use this method to clean the refrigerator once or twice a week to keep it clean. Finally, you can also use salt to clean light grease stains around the kitchen area. When cooking, oil can easily splatter onto the stovetop kitchen wall or the area around the pan. If you only wipe it with a regular cloth, it may be hard to get completely clean and can still leave behind shiny, greasy marks. The solution is extremely simple. Just sprinkle a little salt over that area. The salt will help absorb some of the excess oil and create gentle friction, making it easier to wipe clean. Let it sit for a few minutes, then use a damp cloth to wipe it once. Next, add a little dish soap to the cloth and wipe again to completely remove the greasy feeling. Finally, wipe it one more time with a clean, damp cloth, and the kitchen area will be cleaner and drier. This tip works best for fresh oil stains that have not dried and hardened for a long time. So try using this method for daily cleaning to keep your kitchen area clean. And those are 5 simple ways to make use of salt in your everyday cleaning. I hope these little tips will help everything in your home stay clean, fresh, and easier to take care of. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you again in tomorrow's video.